Secondary sources are designed to get you up to speed quickly, so you can confidently tackle the work in front of you. Westlaw Edge contains a wide variety of secondary sources, such as legal encyclopedias, treatises, and law reviews and journals that provide a strong starting point for research on an unfamiliar topic and can guide you to leading case law. You can access secondary sources a variety of ways. From the home page, begin typing your search into the search bar. As you type, relevant publications may appear in the search box below. You can also access them directly by selecting secondary sources under content types. When you need an overview or quick answer on a number of topics, the secondary sources library is a great place to start. However, sometimes it can be difficult to determine which sources to use. To make this process easier, you can browse by type, including law reviews and journals, text and treatises, or legal encyclopedias. This works well when you already know where you'd like to start your research, but it can take some time to learn go-to sources, especially when you're newer to an area of practice. When working with federal law, it's often helpful to start with ALRs and encyclopedias. Text and treatises or practice guides are a great starting point for state-specific or practice area-specific topics. Another way to browse secondary sources is by topic. This allows you to quickly review the types of resources available for specific practice areas and topics, and is a great way to discover top resources to reference in your practice area. To browse a list of all available secondary sources, select the Full Secondary Sources Library link under Tools and Resources, or you can use the search bar to locate relevant materials. Let's look at an example search. Are student loans dischargeable in bankruptcy? As you can see, there are a variety of sources available to you. Use the filters on the left to narrow down your results using additional search terms, filter by jurisdiction, publication name, and so on. In any search result, be sure to take note of the title of the secondary source that the information is from. If you find a helpful title, you may want to explore more of it as a part of your research. An on-point secondary source can give you necessary background and serve as an excellent jumping-off point for continued research and links to relevant primary law. Now you know how to leverage secondary sources to start your research.